Today we're going to take a look at how to earn some sweet yield on Injective protocol. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips to low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. I greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, Injective Protocol, the blockchain built for finance. Today we're going to look at how to stake the INJ token. I'm going to do another video in the future of explaining the actual project itself. Today we're going to be staking. You will need to get ATOM tokens from an exchange, and you'll need a Kepler wallet or some type of wallet that'll hold your ATOM tokens. I'm going to use Kepler. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to Osmosis, app.osmosis.zone. When we are on Osmosis, we need to deposit our ATOM tokens. If we hit deposit and we go to ATOM and click on ATOM and then hit next, we need to deposit our ATOM tokens from the Cosmos Hub to Osmosis. From Osmosis, we're going to swap our ATOM tokens for Injective tokens. So I have on Cosmos Hub, I have 2.3051 ATOM tokens. I'm going to select 2 tokens and I'm going to deposit those into Osmosis. It's going to ask for to approve a transaction, which is going to be 2 cents. I'm going to go ahead and approve that. It's going to do a transaction. This transaction is successful. Now my tokens will be in Osmosis. If we refresh this, it should show, okay, now I have 2.877 ATOM tokens in Osmosis. We're going to go to the swap. At the swap, we're going to swap our ATOM tokens for INJ tokens, which is the Injective Protocol token. I'm going to swap 2 of them. That's going to give me 1.96 Injective. I'm going to do 2.1, so we're over 2 tokens. And I'm going to swap ATOM for Injective. I'm going to hit swap. It's going to ask me to approve another transaction. And that's going to take a minute or 2 to go through. Actually, very quickly. Once that goes through, then we'll check to make sure we have our INJ tokens in our wallet. I've got 2.06. Now on to the next step. Now we are on the Injective Protocol site. It's injective.com. If we look up here, and we go to individuals, it says get INJ tokens. I guess if we click on that, we can see where we can get it from. What is INJ? What is it used for? How to get it? They're going to show all the different places you can get it. The problem with this is, I believe all the ones that I've looked to withdraw, you can only withdraw to Binance Smart Chain or as an ERC20 token. We need to get these tokens over to Injective Protocol to stake them. So the way I was able to do it the easiest was the way I showed you, is to buy the ATOM token, send the ATOM token to my Kepler wallet, go to Osmosis, and swap those ATOM tokens for the INJ token. Once we're over to the INJ or Injective Protocol website, we're going to go to individuals and we're going to go to Injective Bridge. And what we're going to do at this bridge is we're going to bridge our tokens over from, I believe it's from Osmosis to Injective. And then we're going to go down here and we're going to find our INJ tokens, which is, sorry, we got 2.06. And then what we're going to do is we're going to transfer 2 or bridge 2 over. So it says transfer now. Let's just do it all. We're going to do all 2.06. Transfer now. We're going to hit transfer. We're going to hit confirm because we're confirming that we're going to bridge our INJ tokens from Osmosis to Injective. We're going to hit confirm. And we're going to have to approve a transaction, I believe. Yes. And the gas fee will be in osmosis, because that's, or an Osmo token, because that's where we are sending from. So now it says the transaction is in progress, and it just should take a few seconds and we should complete. Here we go, transactions completed. We have 2.06 INJ tokens now on the Injective protocol. The Injective bridge is lightning fast, low cost, safe, and most secure bridge to transfer cross-chain assets to Injective. That was quick, and it was very low gas fees. Okay, now staking is the next part. If we hit staking here, it's going to show how many tokens we have in our wallet. Currently, we have 2.1 tokens in our wallet. We're going to stake those. To stake those, we have to pick a delegator. So what I did to pick a delegator is, let's see if I click on here. I already delegated to this a little bit to this particular one. Let me see if I can go back and see all the delegators here. Oh, here we go. So here's all the validators. So there's ways that you can look at this. The commission rate, you definitely don't want them to take 100% of the rewards. So if you click on it again, it'll show the lowest amount of commission. I didn't exactly want that. I wanted the highest uptime with the lowest commission. That's why I picked this SCV security one. Any of these would be good, but the uptime is important to me. So now we're going to see that they have 99.68% uptime, and they're only taking 5% of the rewards as commission. So if we're going to go ahead and hit delegate now, and we're going to delegate the maximum amount. The maximum amount would be 2.10. We want to leave a little bit over for gas fees. So we're going to do 2.05. I'm going to go ahead and hit delegate. And that's going to ask us to approve a transaction. Very, very, very little gas fee, less than a penny. We're going to hit approve. I'm very, very bullish on this project for the next bull market. I'm slowly DCAing into it to accumulate a nice little bag here. Okay, so the transaction went through. We'll go ahead and refresh this to see if our tokens went into stake. Yes, there we go. So currently we have 2.14 INJ tokens staked. The staking APR is a whopping 16.03%. The real cool part about this project is that the INJ token is deflationary. I'm going to do another video on this project, showing the tokenomics, showing the actual project overview. Today, I just wanted to show you how to stake because I wanted to get some stake today. And for some reason, I kept saying delegators. They're validators, and you're delegating to the validators. So I will correct myself there. So it's showing on my staked amount, it's showing the 16.03% staking APR. One more quick thing, if you go to calculate rewards, you can kind of go on this, you could slide this back and forth to see how many rewards you would get with how many Injective tokens, INJ tokens you have staked. So if you had 102 INJ staked, you'd get 0.04 Injective per day. And if you kind of went up, you'd have to get one per day, you'd have to be around 2,300, a little over 2,300 INJ tokens staked. I thought that was a cool little calculator they had there. So I'm going to do another video soon in the near future showing the tokenomics and what the project is all about. I just want to get this staking video out quickly. If there's any projects you want me to cover in the future, please leave them in the comments. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.